Jai Gurudev to all of you. My name is Dhirendra Singh and I am pursuing BSc from Maa Gayatri Degree College, and my aim is to become an IAS officer, and I am going to deliver a speech on science and technology. Science and technology are the essential part of daily life. We wake up in the morning when the alarm clock goes off and go into the bed to the alarm. Science and technology have greatly contributed to our country. In recently, we launched Chandrayaan 3, which is totally based on science and technology. Science and technology can be harmful if it is not used properly. Science and technology can be used in medicines which provide the medical cure to the patients diseases like cancer and tuberculosis. Science and technology also make human life to live properly, such as examples such as internet, and in also the field of architecture, medical field. And one of the best example of science and technology is internet, through which we connected across the world. All these luxuries we can afford with the help of science and technology. Science and technology always manipulates and well-being for human beings. सर पॉज कर दीजिए. Technology has made our time reduced. Examples such as we travel from a train. All these luxuries we can afford are the help of science and technology. Science and technology have brought us to the establishment of modern society and civilization. Science and technology makes humans more manipulate and compatible devices like a smartphone, television, refrigerator, to which by well-being for human beings. Science and technology always provide technology have made everything compact and efficient. Technology can be dangerous if it is not used properly. The best example is internet, and we have to keep in mind that we cannot harm our environment. We cannot harm our environment. Science and technology, the best example of science and technology gives E is equal to mc square, and Newton gives laws. Recently ISRO launched Chandrayaan 3, which is totally based on science and technology. Examples of science and technologies are electricity. Electricity are produced from wind, and also it produced from water energy. And second example is television, refrigerator, oven, AC. Refrigerator which emits chlorofluorocarbon, which is harmful for our environment. So we always kept in mind that we should not harm our environment by making such type of technologies. Thank you.
मेरा प्रश्न है आपसे, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से आप क्या समझते हैं?
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी उसे कहते हैं जिसमें हम किसी पदार्थों से निकलने वाले उत्पादनों से हम किसी नए पदार्थ का उत्पादन करते हैं, उसे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी कहते हैं.
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के क्या एडवांटेज और क्या डिसएडवांटेज?
बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का सर एडवांटेज ये है कि इसे सर हम सीड्स में यूज़ करते हैं फसल का प्रोडक्शन बढ़ाने के लिए. दूसरा ये है कि हम इसे लाइफ सेविंग ड्रग्स में यूज़ करते हैं एज अ मेडिसिन के रूप में. इससे सर बड़ी बड़ी इंडस्ट्रियल कंपनीज़ यूज़ करती हैं पॉल्यूशन रिडक्शन के लिए। और सर एडवांटेज ये है कि सर इसे ये फसलों में यूज़ किया जाता है कीटनाशक के तौर पे, उसका भी कंपनीज इसका यूज़ करती हैं। तो पहला इसका डिसएडवांटेजेस है कि लॉस ऑफ फर्टिलिटी, मतलब उपजाऊपन में सर ये इफ़ेक्ट करता है। दूसरा ये है कि क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव है, मतलब बायोटेक्नोलॉजी काफ़ी यूज़ में मतलब एक्सपेंसिव है। और थर्ड ये है कि थर्ड ये है कि एलर्जिकल प्रोडक्शन। एंड फोर्थ वन इज़ बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्जन।
मेरा दूसरा प्रश्न है आपसे, व्हाट इज जियो स्टेशनरी सैटेलाइट?
The geostationary satellite is a satellite which revolves around Earth from east to west from its time period, and the time period for geostationary satellite is usually 24 hours.
मेरा तीसरा प्रश्न है, व्हाट इज सुपर कंडक्टर?
A superconductor is a substance at low temperature which provides freely to pass electricity on it.
Very good.
The most important property of superconductor is that its resistance is zero.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज सोप एंड व्हाट इज इट्स केमिकल फॉर्मूला?
Soap is formed through sodium and potassium of fatty salt by the process of saponification, and the chemical formula of soap is C17H35COO plus a metal cation, either it's Na positive or K positive.
मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज यूरोट्रोपिन?
C6H12N4 is basically known as eurotropin, and it is used in the most common disease of urinary tract as a drug disease.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मेरा, व्हाट इज रिलेटिविटी थ्योरी?
Relativity theory states that space and time are relative, and all that matter, that is space and time, are relative to each other at a frame of reference. This famous theory is given by Einstein in 1915, and the formula is E is equal to mc square, where E is equal to energy, m is equal to mass, and c is equal to speed of light, where m is relative, and m is equal to m naught upon under root 1 minus v square upon c square.